weather is in the Kimball County area and KIMBN Network Blogspot is on top of it. From the Kimball Storm Center, this is a breaking weather update protected by State Farm Insurance. Visit them at 229 South Chestnut Street in downtown Kimball. Here is the special weather report. Special weather report, brought to you by State Farm Insurance Agency at 229 South Chestnut Street in downtown Kimball. A high wind warning is in effect from noon tomorrow Friday to 9 p.m. tomorrow Friday night. Northwest winds 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour is expected for in Nebraska, Cheyenne County and Kimball County. In Wyoming Central and Eastern Laramie County from noon to 9 p.m. Friday. Impacts are mainly to transportation. Strong cross winds will be hazardous to lightweight or high-profile vehicles, including campers and tractor-trailers. A high wind warning means a hazardous high wind event is expected or occurring. Sustained wind speeds of at least 40 miles per hour or gusts of 58 miles per hour or stronger can lead to property damage. A high wind warning begins at 12 noon tomorrow Friday and will continue until 9 p.m. tomorrow Friday night. Stay tuned for additional updates. This significant weather update is protected by Joe Mejia of State Farm Insurance of Kimball Insurance located at 229 South Chestnut Street in downtown Kimball. Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there.
No. I can't handle this.
Great handle takes practice.
Jewel Lloyd.
The key is balance and anticipation, so no one can steal.
Someone did steal.
Oh. Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there.
Hey, State Farm's here to help.
We should watch the game. Oh, right.
Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there.
Contact Joe Mejia of State Farm at 308-230-2200. You can also visit Joe Mejia Insurance Agency Incorporated online at kimballinsurance.net. Open hours are Tuesday through Thursday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. and closed Friday through Monday. Also open evenings and Saturdays by appointment. We are located at 229 South Chestnut Street in downtown Kimball next to H&R Block.